Today we are going to know about the temperature in different places and different times. Okay, see here, temperature in different places and different temperatures. This is a class 8th, lesson number 2, energy from the sun. Okay, so we are already discussing about energy from the sun because it takes some time to know the differences of temperature and different places. Different temperatures. Different places. Okay, I shall give a clear explanation about. Here we have to find out different places, different temperatures. Why? Temperature is not the same. Temperature is not the same in all places. That's why different places and different temperatures. Okay, once you understand the latitudes and altitudes based on altitude. Okay, altitude means relief features, up, down, slope, deep, valleys and near the seas, near the oceans. So we have many relief features and temperature are varied and different. For example, we have Himalayas are there. This is a higher altitude area. Okay, and if you take for example Bay of Bengal, no, Arabian coast, okay, right, plateau, Hyderabad we have already studied how the temperatures varies from one month to another month, from January to December. So there are different temperatures recorded by monthly. So we have seen, we have drawn the map also. Okay, the places like Simla, this is Goa. Okay, and so if you observe the three relief features, mountains, sea coast and plateau, Okay, so here one table is given for extreme. We shall see that the temperatures in Panaji. Panaji is near the sea coast, Arabian Sea coast. Generally, it's a cold temperature, extreme. This is the extreme. So we shall know about the temperatures in extreme and moderate. How do you know that? What is the difference between extreme and moderate? Extreme and high. Highest temperature. This is a cold desert. Suppose Jaisalmer. Where it is? Desert. Himalayas are severe cold. These two are extreme. Okay? This is a moderate. Extreme cold in Himalayas, extreme hot in desert area, that is Jaisalmer. So moderate means medium, Hyderabad. Okay, compare with Simla, moderate climate. This is 2200 meters height, MTS. Understand? Suppose compare with Simla, Delhi, 200 meters. This is moderate. Medium. Okay? So, this is a variation of temperature. Why moderate in Goa? Average temperature. Here is moderate or average temperature. Why it is average? Because of the Goa lies on the Arabian coast. I will show you that. If you draw a map like this, where is Goa? Goa. This is Delhi. Okay, this is Simla. Okay, it's Hyderabad. What else? Panaji. So we have a different places, nearest to the Himalayas. Is it? So colder temperature. This is a 2200 meters height. Delhi is the 200 meters height altitude. Here you take, for example, Chennai. It's on the coast. This is Goa. So temperature is different. Places are different. Temperature is not the same in all places. You understand? So likewise, one table is given here. So what are the temperatures recorded in Height and temperature, extreme and modern. So Delhi and Simla. See that? Because of relief features, based on relief feature. You got my point? Yes? Yeah. The place which is near the sea coast. The place which is near the coast. Why? So because of the winds blowing towards the coast, the cold winds, whether it is in a hot, it influence the temperature of coastal area. Whether Chennai or Panaji, anyone, whether Visakhapatnam, okay, whether Ahmedabad, Kandla, so Marmagova, Mangalore, the port area, Cochin, generally the winds blowing, air blows from the water surface. Right? Have you found the difference? This is away from the sea. This is near the sea. This is the near the sea. This is away from the sea. This is away. This is near the sea. This is near the away from the sea and somewhat near to the Himalayas. Compare with the sea only. Okay. Likewise, extreme based on the height, altitude, relief features. Suppose if you compare within the combined Andhra Pradesh, so temperatures varies. Why? I will show you one example. In Hyderabad, the altitude of Hyderabad of Hyderabad 550 meters. So can you assume that temperature low or high? If we compare with the low-lying areas, plain area, of course Hyderabad on the plateau, we compare with the plain area, coastal plains, whether Visakhapatnam or Tirupati or Vijayawada, take Vijayawada. Vijayawada is not very close to the Bay of Bengal. So compare with Vijayawada, temperature is high than the Hyderabad. Why? Because the elevation, altitude is 550 meters. Generally, there is 2.5 degrees, 2 to 4 degrees are varied. Why? Because for every 165 meters, 1 centigrade decrease the temperature. You understand? For every 1000 meter, 6 centigrade temperature decreases. Okay? If you look that 550 means at least more than 3 degrees less. Suppose in Vijayawada the temperature is 30. How much here? 27. Why? Because 26.5 or 26 the temperature records in Hyderabad. So this is the variation or difference of the temperature in different places and different temperature records. So based on the height, when you go for the higher locations and temperature decreases. For example, Himalayas. This is the highest landform, relief feature. So there are many places close to the Himalayas like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, okay, and Uttar Pradesh, Nainital, Missouri, okay, Dehradun. There are many hill stations, okay. So based on that, naturally temperature records low temperatures. Have you understood the different places? Here are the different places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these places are located in different areas. So here I also given Hyderabad also. Okay, children. Based on this, you have to understand. So now we shall find the how the temperature records. Suppose, for example, take Goa, that is Panaji. Okay? Right. Here one table given here, I will show you that. So temperature in page number 26. Okay? See here, dry table. Month, max, mini. Okay, so see here the average monthly temperature of Panaji. Average Panaji. Okay, Panaji. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. See here, the temperatures. Have you found any difference in Panaji, that is in Goa? Maximum temperature 32. Beyond the 32, only 1 month, April only increased. April, May, rest of the months continued the same only, which is not crossed beyond the 33 and 32. Okay? The highest in November, April, March, February, March, January to March 32. Again, April. May 33. June 29. July 28. August 28. September 29. October 32. November 33. Right. See that 1 or 2 degrees only temperature varies. Here see that continuously 24. How many months? 5 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Average. Here also same only. Just only January is the 1 month records lowest minimum temperature 19, maximum 32. Okay? Likewise, you can draw this line and given graph. Okay? Very simple. These are all points very close to the temperatures, moderate and minimum. Okay? Next. Inversion relationship. That means opposite relationship. Okay, sometimes especially in the mornings, during the winters, lower temperatures found in the ground, you can see that days drops on the grass due to the condensation. The cooler temperature near the ground level or due to the less amount of insolation received due to the shorter day and excessive radiation due to the longer nights. This is known as inversion. Inversion. Suppose if you take winter, days are short, nights are long. Okay, so this is the inversion relationship. Inversion means opposite relationship. Days are short, nights are long. Okay, so this is a inversion. Because of the days are short, what happens? There is low evaporation. Low condensation, low precipitation. Due to that, so we are receiving that only dew drops in the morning. There's no, we don't find any high temperature, rainfall, nothing else. So this is a season. Causes for the inverse relationship between the day and night, and evaporation, condensation, precipitation also, dew drops are formed. When you wake up in the morning, you can find these small drops are falling on the leaves, on the plants and trees. So wherever you see that, there is a low level temperature in the ground level. Okay? So this is the inversion. So I don't want to draw the lines on the graphs. So we shall move on to the temperature maps. Okay? So at last, temperature in places near and the far from the equator. Okay, we shall know very detailed. This is not a difficult text. Okay. So see here, when you observe that we have observed many places in India. That is places away from the sea, near the sea, how the temperature regards. The best example is Panaji, is the capital of Goa. So here is the average temperature. This is a moderate temperature, not high, not low. When you observe that right from the beginning also, so when the temperature records in Jan, that's continued up to the 3 months, and again 1 degree changes. Likewise, 1 or 2 degrees variations right from the Jan to the December. This is a maximum. Minimum also record the same only. Okay, children, you have to find out based on the distance and altitude from the sea and the height of the places. So there is a extreme. That is extreme in the sense 2 types. One is low, one is high. So in between where the places near the seas, you can find the temperature is moderate, that is Goa. Highest extreme cold temperature records in Shimla. And Delhi also average temperature. Compare with the Shimla. Okay? And Goa. So this is the temperature, monthly temperature in Panaji. Already we have seen now Hyderabad. So once you observe the map, you can easily understand that based on the given table, you can draw a graph with the help of given data. Okay? So we can find the temperatures on the earth or the world map or on the globe. See that temperature in places near and far from the equator. See that? Very simple. Do you know the equator? Yes, this is an equator. Hey, what the lines is? This is an equator. From the equator, when you are moving towards the poles, the latitude's designation changes. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. Okay? This is subtropic, subpolar, polar, subtropic, subpolar, pole. Yes, when you are moving toward the pole, we are moving toward the equator, temperature changes. So how it is going to be changes? The places near the equator and the pole side we shall discuss in the next class. Okay children, thank you.